Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this yummy street style egg roll. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first for the paratha dough, we'll take 1 cup of maida and add half teaspoon of salt to it. Mix both of them well and then add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it well with the flour. Gradually add water and knead the dough. Perfectly soft and smooth dough is formed now. Coat it well with oil and then cover and rest for 30 minutes. Now in a bowl, add 1 thin sliced onion and 2 chopped green chillies. Squeeze juice of half a lemon. Mix everything well and keep aside. In a small bowl, break 2 eggs and add half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder to it. Mix well and beat the eggs. Keep it aside. Our dough is well rested now. Knead for a minute. Take small portions and make balls from it. Take a ball and sprinkle flour on it. Roll it out thin. Apply oil all over it. And then dust some flour. Make a cut from the center and roll it from the cut like a cone. Press from the top to give circular shape. See how beautiful the layers are. There are so many layers to the beautiful lachha paratha. Roll it out slightly thick like a paratha and then transfer it to a heated pan. Cook the paratha well from both sides. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil and cook it well. Our paratha is cooked now. Take it out. Add 1 more teaspoon of oil to the pan and pour the egg mixture. Place the paratha on it and press it to stick. Flip and cook the egg from both the sides. It is perfectly cooked now. Take it out on a plate. Sprinkle black salt and chaat masala. Apply 1 teaspoon of green chilli sauce and then place the onions and green chillies. Spread ketchup over the onions. The amount of ketchup varies according to your choice. Now roll the paratha and cover it with butter paper or aluminium wrap. Our street style egg roll is ready now. The outer layer is perfectly crispy and the inner stuffing is just so delicious. So do try this out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.